It is so dark and quiet. Everything is how it's supposed to be. Beautiful. You know, access. Thank God for access. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's been a while I said that. Yes. I hope you guys are doing okay. And quick reminder, this is Sunday. And the rest was so beautiful. It was so good. I was like, if I continue this, it might be disastrous. Because this workout, I planned this workout to come for it at 3 p.m. And I slept, woke up at 4 p.m. I was like, okay, and I was really sleepy still. And then I forced myself again. So like, you know what? It's Sunday. The gym is closed. So whichever time I want to go to the gym, it's gonna be all mine. So I finished. I slept a little bit again and woke up at 6. And I started rolling on the bed. I was like, okay, let me go. Let me go get ready. Before you know it, it was 6:50 something. Before you know it, it was 7 o'clock. Before you know it, 7:10. I was like, okay, it's time to go. Yes. And here we are. 7 days a week. 7 days a week. How did Nicki Minaj say that? Did that music? Is it 6 days a week or 7 days a week? Yes. So, yeah, we are here. We are here. Gang, 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 gang. Yes. Yeah, so, oh my God. I recovered really well. And okay, I can't say it's bad news or good news, but like tomorrow, there is no video shoot for tomorrow being Monday because today is shoulders, this night is shoulders, and tomorrow morning I'm going to train arms, bicep and triceps. I think for bicep and tricep I need help on video shooting because I'm shooting by arms. It's really difficult. You know, it requires someone to actually follow you and do your video shooting, like, you know, when you're doing that shit. Because doing it alone, sometimes you will think that you're on the frame by you cut everything. So, you know, shooting for arms is it's really kind of difficult for me. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna work out at a regular hour, which is gonna be, I think probably whenever I wake up, I'll work out tomorrow morning. Though it's really sunny, so I still have to try to be here as early as before 6:30. Yes, because it's shoulders, so I've already beaten my shoulder to the extent that I can do shoulders in the next 1 hour. I'll be ready for that workout. That's how crazy I've beaten my shoulders. It's like whatever you throw at it can take it now. So yeah. So tomorrow is gonna be biceps and triceps, but I won't cover it. But today, let's not talk about tomorrow. Right now, let's talk about right now. Right now is these babies. These babies. Yes. So, all right, let's break down the workout. It's gonna be very smooth, quick workout. Four workouts, 30 sets each. Obviously, the first workout is gonna be more than 30 sets. So, okay, let's just say the first set of workout is gonna be 4 sets, 1 warm-up set, 3 working set, and which is gonna be rear dead fly. And then after that, we're going for single arm dumbbell. That work of art, single arm dumbbell. lateral raise, and then after that we're going for behind neck shoulder press, because shoulders without presses, come on bro, like who are you deceiving, man? Yeah, so we're going to do press and behind neck shoulder press, and after that we're going for that punishment. You remember that exercise I will call punishment? Yes, that's what we're finishing with today. So I think by the look of things, even this workout is going to last on the maximum side, 45 to 50 minutes. That's how long this workout is going to last. Yes, so let's make the best out of it. And yes, go home and wash my ass and eat something and wait for tomorrow. Take it easy, bro. You're not supposed to be spitting when you're talking, man. Have to control it. Come on, man. We're a grown up. Yeah. So after this, I'm just gonna go home and wash my ass and eat something. But it's Sunday, man. It's Sunday. The only thing in my system right now is rice and pre-workout. Yeah. Oh, I ate chapati also today. Don't do that again. I did eat chapati in the morning, so I feel great. At least I got enough rest. Yes, that's one I'm really excited about. So, yeah. With that being said, let's stretch and destroy these shoulders. Smash the like button if you made it this far, and let's have a great time. Reps for Bros J. It's all me. All me. It's all me. All me, baby. Come on. It's all me, baby. Yeah. Warm up. Warm up. Okay. 3 walking set. 3 walking set. Okay. 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 Walking set 1. Bitch. Okay. Okay. Come on, come on. Come on. Yeah. Hua, hua, hua. Okay. 2 more. Fucking hell. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. We hit the bottom. This is the second set. But the first set, You can play with it, but second set, you have to hit the bottom or rows and regulation. It's water, H2O. Oh my God. Okay, drop set is the best set. Come on. Pow, pow, Okay. One more. Okay. That's it. Come on, bro. Last set. All right. Single arm lateral raise. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Have you tried the barefoot workout? Give it a try, man. Yes. Come on. One more.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh. Whoa. Come on. Woo. I think we have one more in the tank. One more with 15 kilos.
That's it. That's it.
Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three. Come on. Ah. Woo. Next, behind neck shoulder press. Okay. Yes. Today, there's not too much of lifting weight, too much weight on this machine. I'm only using one plate, hopefully. Only one plate. Oh. 2 more. Sets 2. Very quick. Very quick. And we're done. Oh! One more. One more. One more. One more. I wanted to go take some water, but I thought to myself, you know what? There's no need of traveling all the way to that side to get your water bottle. Oh, it's right behind me. I thought it was down there. But I was like, you know what? Since I only have one more set to go, let me just finish it and go for, as I'm going for the last exercise of the day, the punishment time, I would drink the water. But anyways, I don't know that it was behind me. All right, let's go. Yes. All right. It's time to go for that punishment where we chisel it inside. Yeah. Chiseling time. Time to chisel that baby. All right. Let's re-rack the weight and move on. Because the rules and regulation is simple. Whether you're big, you're small, you're medium, you're a pro, it doesn't matter who you are. Once you step through that gate, we are all equal. Meaning that after your exercise, you to wipe your chair, clean it, and re-rack your weight after usage. Okay? Yeah. No matter how you grow, no matter how much you earn, no matter who you are, nobody outgrows that. Yes. Remember to re-rack your weight. Okay. Shall we? All right. Okay, let's go. All right. The time we've been waiting for. Okay. Two more. This is not peace sign. This is 2 more reps, 2 more sets to go. You know that since tomorrow's video is not going to be covered, you know what that means? It means that after tomorrow, the next workout is going to be on Tuesday, after today. All right, go. Flexing power is done. All right. Okay. One more. One more. Okay. Okay. Let's finish this. Let's finish this. Last set. Last set. Shit. Swag. That's it. Oh, yes. All right. Thanks so much for sticking around. And yeah, I think tomorrow, like I said already in the beginning, tomorrow workout is not going to be filmed. Or should I say, it's rest day for me. So, no rest day. I'm going to work out, obviously. But like, it won't be filmed. So, and I'm not doing that because I don't like filming arms. Whether I like it or not, it doesn't matter. But I just wanted to do tomorrow arm exercise during the workout period. Maybe I might also get more subscribers as you're sharing this video with your friends. And I know you've made it this far. You're an OG. That means you've already smashed the like button and already authenticated if you haven't subscribed and subscribe. So yeah, thanks so much for sticking around. I know the next workout is gonna be on Tuesday, which is gonna be back exercise. So the rowing of the week. So I will see you guys there. And most importantly, don't forget to stay close to God. Stay close to God. He knows the best. And be good. And with that being said, I'm out of here. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Yeah, I'll see you guys on back day. Peace. Now this is the peace sign. This is not tomorrow. This is not 2 sets remaining. This is peace sign right now. Bye bye. Sweaty. Hello.